Accidents can happen, even to the most experienced HVAC contractor. Meet Sean, a licensed HVAC professional hired to install a new heating and cooling system in a commercial building. Sean follows safety protocols and manufacturer guidelines. But even on a routine installation, things can go wrong when a condensate line backs up, causing water damage to ceilings and walls below. The property owner files a liability claim to repair the damage. Fortunately, Sean has general liability insurance. His policy covers the repair costs, protecting his business, his income, and his reputation. Protect your HVAC business from unexpected accidents. Get covered today with USA Business Insurance.